A ruling by the Michigan Supreme Court could return possibly millions of dollars to state residents who lost their homes to tax foreclosure. And that money could start arriving as early as next year. News Channel 3's Tiana Barnes is live in Kalamazoo after speaking with the county treasurer. Tiana, this could be big news for a lot of people.
Yes, Andy, thank you. People like hearing that money is coming their way, and this centers around a ruling by Michigan Supreme Court back in 2020. The court said a law that allowed local governments to keep surplus funds from the sale of foreclosed homes was unconstitutional. Back then, the ruling only applied to sales from 2020 and forward, but a new ruling Monday could impact sales as far back as 2014.
Like I said, we anticipated this.
Kalamazoo County Treasurer Thomas Whitener and his legal team had a feeling this day would come.
The initial decision was only prospective, so only looking forward and only effective as to 2020 and forward foreclosures. But the current decision, the decision today, or yesterday I suppose, was retroactive.
The Michigan Supreme Court ruling that its 2020 decision, which stopped local governments from profiting off of the sale of foreclosed homes, could be applied retroactively. This means that former homeowners who lost their properties due to unpaid taxes in 2014 and forward qualify for reimbursement through a class action settlement. Those in opposition of the decision say they already plan to file an appeal. News Channel 3 reached out to the Michigan Municipal League, the opposing party in the case, but were not able to receive a comment. Now, Kalamazoo residents who qualify for 2020 and forward have already been paid off thanks to proper planning from Whitener and his team.
We've actually already settled all of those 2020 claims because we knew this retroactivity thing was coming down the pipe, right? It wasn't going to be a surprise.
And Whitener says that paying out around $4.5 million worth of reimbursements was not at the expense of any county services.
That money has never been mixed with general fund dollars. It does not go into the county's accounting for their budget. It does not affect services. We're not going to have to cut back on anything.
As far as other counties, the Michigan Association of County Treasurers said in a statement, the settlement is a fair and just outcome for former owners and counties. We look forward to resolving the appeal and the expeditious return of excess proceeds to former owners. Whitener says that he is grateful that his decision turned out to benefit the county and will continue to work to provide resources for those in danger of foreclosure.
As your treasurer, the thing that I've been working on most aggressively is to reduce the number of tax foreclosures in the county, and I have done that.
Because of the appeal, the Michigan Association of County Treasurers say payout could take some time. They expect residents could start seeing some of that money late next year. Live in Kalamazoo, Tiana Barnes, News Channel 3.